Here's how we can trim with Kinemaster on the Android, and let's get started. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, Kinemaster is like the app you download from the Play Store at first, so it's usually not going to be part of your phone by default. You have to download it, and then once you go through the setup process, it might ask you for some random things. You're going to get to a page where you can just create a new project by tapping the big plus button. You can click on it and you choose the project name, aspect ratio, which means, if the video is supposed to be vertical or landscape. But then you also have some advanced options. So you have like the different things like the default duration for photos and transitions, whatever. But you click on create and you will essentially get to the timeline. Right, so you'll see that you'll have the option to pick some different things from the gallery, right? You can import the photos or videos, right? And you can just start using them in the actual, like the edit, right? So once you import it, you can trim it by dragging the right edge or left edge of the thing, and then that's how you can make the video shorter from each side. So that is fundamentally how you can trim it with the app. But you also have like more controls in here. Like you can see that there are different things and different controls and like a lot of different features which you have available in here. So you can see we have the different things like speed adjustment, reversing filters, so many other options. So obviously you don't go through the Kinemaster app just to trim it. Most likely you also want to apply some different effects, and as you can see, there are plenty of them to pick from. Of course, once you are done, do not forget to export the whole thing to actually end up with the file saved in your gallery. So you have to click on the share as such, choose the export settings, and you can just save it as a finished project. So that's how it generally works. If you need some more advanced tutorials, it's likely I'm going to cover it more in the future on this channel. I've extensively talked about CapCut in the past, but yeah, I will most definitely update you about like the other video editors as well. But for now, that's it from me, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos as well.